Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Okay, so today I want to show you a Ditone on 736. So just do this. Click the subscribe button for many more lessons. We have over 500 lessons. Click the like button. Comment in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. Thank you. Let's get to the lesson. Right. So we're gonna be in care of F sharp today. Don't worry. You thought I was gonna be rushed. No, I'm not going to rush. I just did that intro so I won't waste your time. Okay, so we have a F sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so 736 is your 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Like as the bee panted for the water, so my soul and get a 30. So when I call 736, I'm calling chord progression because some people still get confused with this stuff. But if you are a follower of this channel, I don't see any reason why you should get confused because we do this every time. All right, so now we've been using triton and stuffs. We've done triton on this 736, but today we want to learn the diatone. So our 1 chord remains 1. Now let's say we want to do our 7. You can do something like it. Right. Okay, so we have a 1, then pa pa pa. So what am I doing here? The diatone is right here. It's actually like a major third interval, right? So it's like a major third interval. So we have a F and E. If you count them, there's a major third interval between them. So that's what called diatone. And there's this way we use it. We always have a what's it called? A quarter chord on the right hand. So so instead of doing as the bee panted for instead of just doing that, surely on the 7 you have to do. So it sounds interesting. So 1 pa pa pa. So you go from your flat 2 to your 2 to your minor third in whatever key you are. So after your 1 chord, when you want to go to your 7, you do. So you can see that. So you have a so the notes now in numbers, you have a 7 minor third. The notes then on the left hand, on the right hand, we have a 6, 9, and then your 5. Sorry for the name calling. Yeah. So we have a master panted for. So you do. Let me just call the the name so that. So the next chord you have a C and E over B flat, E flat, and A flat. Then D and F sharp over C, F, and B flat. Then you go to your 6th chord, which is in this case I'm using a 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. So for you are great, you do miracles so great. So something like this. For you are great, you do miracles so great. So that's a 736. All right. So for your 2 chord, you can do this 2 and 1 on your left hand. On your right, you have a flat 5, 7, and here your 3. 5. You already know this chord. If you're a follower of this channel, you already know this like a conventional 5 chord. No one else. La la. 1 and flat 7, 3, 6, 2, then to your 4. So as the bee panted for the water, so my soul and study. Alright, so click the subscribe button for many more. God bless you in Jesus' name. Bye.